The wiring method of the Y2SS3-ECX driver. This driver is an EtherCAT bus stepper driver. The wiring is the same for other models in this series. This model integrates both open-loop and closed-loop functions. It can connect to either open-loop or closed-loop stepper motors. Prepare a motor, a Y2SS3-ECX driver, a switching power supply, and an upper computer with EtherCAT communication, several cables, and one Type-C communication cable. Next, let's demonstrate the wiring. First, the Y2SS3-ECX has a CN1 power input port, a CN to motor connection port, a CN3 digital I/O port, a CN for encoder input port, and CN6. The PC debugging port. First, connect CN1 to the power supply. Connect CN2 to the motor power wires. Connect CN4 to the motor encoder. The output uses NPN wiring. For CN3, connect the triangle and octagon common terminals to the 24 volts power supply. CN6 is the Type-C communication port. It can communicate with Kaifull driver debugging software to set other basic parameters. The communication in port connects to the upper computer. The upper computer connects to the PC to enable EtherCAT communication. For detailed operation, please refer to the user manual corresponding to the driver model.